Hey there, struggling with how to fix the picture frame on your Emerson TV? You're in the right place. Picture frame issues can be quite frustrating, especially when you just want a clear, crisp display. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll walk through key steps to diagnose and fix the picture frame issue on an Emerson TV, ensuring you get back to enjoying your favorite shows with optimal clarity. Step 1. Check your TV settings. The first thing you should do is check the TV's picture mode settings. On your Emerson TV remote, press the menu button and navigate to Picture Settings. Here, you can find different modes like Standard, Dynamic, Movie, and Game. Try switching between these modes to see if it resolves the problem. Often, the wrong picture mode can alter the frame display, causing issues you might not immediately notice. Once you've set the ideal picture mode, adjust the contrast, brightness, and sharpness. Navigate to Picture Settings and you'll find individual settings for these parameters. Aim for balanced contrast, ensuring dark areas are visible without being washed out. Adjust the brightness to a moderate level, not too bright or too dim. Lastly, fine-tune the sharpness to maintain clear edges. Step 2. Inspect the cables. Loose or improperly connected cables can lead to picture frame issues. Make sure all cables, including HDMI and power cords, are securely connected both to the TV and any external devices. A slight wiggle can disconnect cables, impacting the picture frame's integrity. If tightening doesn't help, try swapping your HDMI cable with another one. Faulty or damaged cables are often culprits in picture problems. Use a newer or different cable to see if the issue persists. This simple swap can sometimes instantly resolve the issue. Step 3. Firmware update. Keeping your TV's firmware updated is essential for optimal performance. First, check if there's a new firmware update available to your Emerson TV. Navigate to Settings, then Support, and finally Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Firmware updates often include fixes for known bugs and can solve picture frame issues. Step 4. Reset the TV. If the picture frame problem remains, a hard reset might be necessary. To do this, unplug your Emerson TV from the power outlet and wait approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This process drains any residual power, enhancing the reset's effect. Reconnect the TV back to power and turn it on. Often, a hard reset can clear minor glitches that affect picture display quality. And there you have it. How to fix the picture frame on your Emerson TV. By adjusting your TV settings, inspecting and swapping cables, updating the firmware, and performing a hard reset, you can resolve most picture frame issues with ease. Remember, patience is key, and it's always best to methodically work through each step without skipping ahead. We hope this guide has helped you bring back the perfect viewing experience. If the issue persists, consulting Emerson's customer support or a professional technician might be the next best step. Happy viewing!